AP DSC GK question and answers. Indian polity. First question. Father of Indian Constitution. The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 2. Indian Constitution came into force on. The answer is 26 January 1950. Third question. Total fundamental rights are. The answer is of 6. Question number 4. Right to education is which article? The answer is Article 21A. Indian history. Question number 5. Father of the nation. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 6. First war of Indian independence. The answer is 1857. Question number 7. Who wrote Discovery of India? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Geography. Question number 8. Largest continent in the world? The answer is Asia. Question number 9. Longest river in India? The answer is Ganga. Question number 10. Highest mountain peak in the world? The answer is Mountain Everest. Andhra Pradesh GK very important questions. Question number 11. Capital of Andhra Pradesh? The answer is Amaravati. Question number 12. Longest river in Andhra Pradesh? The answer is Godavari. 13th question. Current Chief Minister of AP? Answer is N. Chandrababu Naidu. 14th question. Andhra Pradesh State Formation Day, November 1st, 1956. General Science. 15th question. Unit of force. Answer is Newton. 16th question. Gas essential for breathing. The answer is oxygen. 17th questions. Plants prepare food by photosynthesis. Awards days. Question number 18. Teachers' Day in India. The answer is September 5. Question number 19. Independence Day of India. The answer is August 15. Question number 20. National Science Day. The answer is February 28. Current affairs. Static type. Question number 21. UNO headquarters is at. The answer is